तपाईँको इयरफोन यसरी नै ट्याङ्गल हुन्छ? So let's talk about how we can keep our earphones to prevent from this tangleness. यसको लागि चाहिँ have your earphones, make your finger like this and earphone को end मा pinch गर्ने by your thumb finger र यसलाई मजाले wrap गर्ने र लास्टमा चाहिँ 10 inch जति छोड्ने and you have to change the direction र यसलाई अन्तिमसम्म यसरी नै wrap गर्ने त्यसपछि ज्याकलाई यसरी वायर भित्र लगाउने and yeah, it's ready, but you have to be careful while doing it because if you do it hard then it can damage the wire and see you can easily open it. Tada! र यसलाई चाहिँ क्यारी केसमा राख्नु भयो भने अझ सेफ हुन्छ while you are traveling or going anywhere, or if you are at home you can simply hang in a wall. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you a lot. Follow for more information.